Did you know that you can sync your ringtone with your Bluetooth device on a Samsung Galaxy phone? If you want your call sound to match your wireless headphones, smartwatch, or speaker, in this tutorial, you will learn how to enable this handy feature. See how to transfer your ringtone via Bluetooth and make it easier to recognize calls, even when your phone is not nearby. So let's get started. First, swipe down to open the quick menu, then tap the gear icon to open settings. Once you're in settings, look for the connections option and tap it to open it. When you're on the connections page, you'll see several options. Find the Bluetooth option and tap it. Now, in this section in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots. Tap them, and then in the menu that appears, select Advanced Settings. When you're on the Advanced Settings page, you'll see several options. Find the option called Ringtone Sync, and tap the switch next to it to activate it. Once you activate this option, the ringtone from your phone will be synced with your Bluetooth device, such as headphones, smartwatch, or speaker, allowing you to hear calls and notifications on those devices. And that's it for this video, friends. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, simply leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. See you very soon, and thank you so much for watching.